Hey guys, what's up? Keeps coming up like that. All right, so I'm gonna show you another problem from the video stuff that so you guys can see how to do all this. Do another problem, and it's basically turning two binomials into quadratics in standard form. Okay, so like I said, you're gonna have to do your own problems per se. I'm not gonna do the problems for you. That you know, but I'll do some examples that you can actually see and we kind of can work from there. All right. So again, I told you before that using Screenify as another way to show you, give you guys information. Uh, I'm going to be doing this every once in a while just to give you some work on how to do stuff. I'm still working on getting some other things that I need for the computer to make it better, but it's gonna get there pretty quickly. Okay. Um, so yeah, so let me show you how to do this. It should be pretty simple. Okay, so we have 2x. Oh God, I'm doing it again. So I'm trying to get better at this, but it's hard. 2x, okay, minus 3, okay, x minus 4, okay. So again, we have two equations, we have two binomials here. We're basically going to multiply these two together to make sure that they multiply together to make a standard form equation. So let me put that on the side here. So we're going to multiply binomials. And the reason why we call them binomials is because we have two expressions in each one. So they're called binomials. Binomials to create a quadratic in standard form. Okay. So a couple of things. I'll finish. Let me get this done, and then I'll explain a couple things as well as extra information that you can put in your video. All right. So and we're going to use that during the box method. So we're going to make a box here. Oh man, that's a nice little piece of bread, but let me fix that. We'll try this again. Okay. Got it. All right. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take this one right here and this one right here, and we're going to make this as the area of the box. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it here. So I'm going to take 2x, put that here. Okay, I'm going to put negative 3 here. And then on the bottom on this side, I'm going to put x minus 4. Okay, so we're going to use these values in here of each one to find the area of each four boxes, and then we're going to combine like terms. So again, this should be pretty easy to do if you remember your rules of working, multiplying variables and expressions. So I think this should be pretty easy to do. So again, so you have 2x times x, which gives you 2x squared. Then this one is x times negative 3, so that's negative 3x. Okay, and then the other one is basically 2x times negative 4 is negative 8x. Okay, and then the bottom one is we got negative 4 and negative 3, and that's here and here. So that's going to give us positive 12 because the negative turns to positive. Okay. Then from here, we want to find out where the like terms are. Basically, we know that these two values are going to be like terms always. So this one right here is this one, unless there's two variables involved. Sometimes there might not be like terms, but majority of the time that these two would be the like terms here. So then you just want to make it out into standard form, because remember what standard form is basically a squared. Again, you want to say a squared, which is quadratic, b squared, I'm sorry, bx, which is the linear term, and then the time plus c. So c is the constant. So from here, we basically got 2x squared. Okay, and this one is negative 11x and then the other one is plus 12. And that's how it would work. So again, like I said, you basically would put the things together, and then you would create a standard form of quadratic from here. Now, what the heck does this mean in terms of the equation? Now, one thing I wanted to show you is what does this actually mean? So remember we talked about quadratic is basically, it could be like a U or it could make an N. Okay, that's what we want. So the idea is that these two equations here, if we set them equal to 0, we can find out what the x values are, and we can find the x-intercepts and where this equation, this u, and this u crosses the x and y axis. Okay, so how I can do that is basically I make a line here, like here, and I could just do the values out. So if I do 2x minus 3 equals, sorry guys, I'm trying, 0, then if I do some math here, I'm going to go x equals 3 over 2. So I know it crosses somewhere around 1.5 or so, so I can make a dot point right here. Then the other one is if I do x minus 4, which is pretty easy, x minus 4, I mean, I shouldn't have to do more than that, equals 0. Getting better at, terrible at 4s here, but I'm trying. Okay, and we know that one's going to obviously equal 4, positive 4. So not too bad. Okay, like that. So basically what they do is when you factor these binomials here, these binomials, you're basically getting the actual x-intercepts of each equation. So then all you have to do at that point is basically figure out if this is going upwards or downwards. And looking at this right here, this value right here, if it's positive, then it means that this equation is going to go upwards, something like this, up like this. We don't know the depth. Way we can figure out the depth is finding the average of these two numbers, okay? But we don't actually, I'm not going to actually show you how to do that at this point right now. But like I said, as long as if your video, we're able to show you how to do this and then explain a little bit about how the U and the equation, where it actually can be used at, that would be fantastic for what I just talked about, okay? So enjoy, guys, and we'll see you soon.